In this video, I am going to show you how to make a AI image video in Filmora mobile app. First, open Filmora app. To create AI image with video, you need your video and a frame snapshot from that video. Then click on AI show and you will get more than 15 options to create AI image video like Christmas Town, Candyland, Magic Bakery, Candy Factory to create infinity zoom video. Then we have Last Christmas, Fantasies, Clown, Halloween, Future, Outer Space and many more. Check them out on Filmora mobile app. Now select the image style of your choice and click on AI generated. Then select the snapshot of your video, click on import and within a minute AI will generate a AI image video for you. Now to see the preview, click on view now. Here you can directly save it on your mobile device by clicking on save or click on edit and this will open in Filmora mobile app. Then click on this plus sign to import your video. Select your clip and it will automatically place your video clip in front of AI image video. Enjoy your AI image video. Now to export, click on export button, then click on Pro Export. That's simple to create an AI image video in Filmora mobile app. Download the app now and create amazing videos with Filmora.